Welcome to this mindful stretching meditation. For the next 5 minutes, we will embark on a journey of gentle stretching, focusing deeply on the sensations in each muscle group and harmonizing our movements with our breath. Find a space where you can comfortably stretch, either standing or seated. Let this be a time for you to connect with your body and your breath. Begin by finding a relaxed, comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath. Fill your lungs completely, then slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, bring your full attention to this present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and any sounds around you. On your next inhale, slowly and mindfully raise your arms above your head. Stretch upwards as if you are trying to touch the sky. Feel the gentle pull along your arms, shoulders, and sides. Observe the sensations as your muscles lengthen and relax. Hold this stretch for a few seconds, then exhale and gently lower your arms back to your sides. Now gently tilt your head to the right, feeling a light stretch along the left side of your neck. Breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation, the stretch, the release. Inhale as you bring your head back to center, and then exhale as you tilt it to the left. Notice the subtle differences in sensation on each side, observing without judgment. Step forward with your right foot, bending your knee slightly while keeping your left leg extended straight behind you. Feel the stretch in your left calf and thigh. Take a deep breath in, absorbing the sensation, and then switch legs as you exhale, mirroring the stretch. Stay aware of the sensations in your muscles, embracing the stretch. As you move through each stretch, become deeply aware of how each part of your body feels. Observe areas of tightness or ease, and with each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to these areas. Let your breath be a bridge, connecting your mind and body in this present moment. Inhale deeply, and as you do so, slowly bend forward from your waist, reaching towards your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, your back, your arms. Hold this position for a moment, then exhale and gently rise back up. Let your breath guide your movements, creating a harmonious dance of stretching and relaxing. For our final stretch, place your hands together in front of your chest. Inhale, and as you exhale, gently twist your torso to the right, keeping your hips forward. Hold and feel the stretch in your back and sides. Inhale back to center and repeat on the left side. With each twist, release any remaining tension. As we conclude this mindful stretching session, take a few more deep, relaxing breaths. Gradually bring your awareness back to your entire body, noticing any changes in tension, relaxation, or overall sensation. Acknowledge the nurturing you have provided to your body and mind through these mindful movements. Gently open your eyes, coming back to the room around you. Thank you for joining this mindful stretching meditation. Remember, you can always return to this state of mindfulness and body awareness. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you throughout your day.